Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to use the BIMLOGIQ Copilot public command Place Penetrations for Ducts. This command automatically places penetration family instances where ducts intersect with walls and floors. First, select the ducts where penetrations will be placed. Use the Ducts Select option to pick the relevant ducts in your model. If your target walls or floors are located in a linked architectural model, you can include them by using the Link File option. Now, select the target elements for the penetrations. Use the Target Elements option to choose walls, floors, or both. Choose the family type that will be used as the penetration. This family will be placed at the intersection points. Select the penetration direction as defined in the family editor. This determines the alignment of the family with the host element. Enter the names of the width, height, and thickness parameters from your penetration family. We can see the required parameter names in the properties of our family type. If you'd like to leave some space around the duct, enter a value in the gap field. This helps allow for installation tolerance and on-site adjustments. Let's skip this part and look back at it later with an example. Once everything is configured, click the Run button. Let's zoom in a little so we can see our penetration. Here, our penetrations are placed. Here we can see our penetrations in the 3D view. Now let's try another example. Just because we know the process, we can speed it up. Now, we've reached the part we skipped earlier. To reduce clutter and create a single larger penetration instead of multiple small ones, enable the Merge Penetrations option. Define the maximum distance between penetrations that can be merged by entering a value in the Merge Tolerance field. Once everything is configured, click the Run button. Let's review the result. Our small penetrations have been merged into a single larger one. Here we can see our penetrations in the 3D view. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.